I've seen the youth, you are only talking about the rights. They don't want to talk about the duties. Right? That is why that you see the cockroach Janata Party, the cockroaches are there. They only want to take the things from the government, but they don't want to contribute to the government. So, what will be your take in this case?
Like you said about the cockroach Janata Party, if asked my opinion, I don't really support that because I supported as the organization. I was really interested in it when it came, but with time, I'm seeing that the trend it becomes trending, and then it loses the trend. It just becomes for famous for popularity. They do it. Right now, it's just being a trend, I guess. Nothing.
So you're not supporting.
I am supporting, but I'm supporting the beliefs that they are following, but it can be better.
Okay.
What is the objective of DPSP?
DPSP is basically for the welfare of state. It is used by the government so that they can make the laws. It is basically how we can interpret the constitution from preamble. It's basically sort of like that they can understand or analyze the DPSP and they can make laws through.
As you have told that you have managed the social media, so I would like to ask, should the social media be legally liable for spreading the fake news?
It should be held legally liable, of course. It's in IT rules 2021 or 2000 as well, I guess. I'm not sure about the inside of it, but it should be liable.
What does the section 66A say? Like, why was it struck down?
It was struck down because it was very vague. The definition was very vague. It was not able. We were not able to actually interpret it when reading it. That's all.
What is difference between political science and politics? Is there a difference?
Yes, sir. We can say political science. There is a concept of polity, and the politics means people who are leaders, who are giving promises. These are politics.
In which year did United Nations came into force?
24 October 1945.
Like, was there any history to the UN?
Yes, sir. Firstly, there is League of Nations.
So, do you know about the fundamental right?
Yes, sir. Fundamental right is a basic right which is mentioned in Article 14 to 32, and this is given to Indian citizen. This is basic rights, which is help to give dignity full life.
Okay, can you tell me the menstrual health basically
Yes.
come into the category of the fundamental right or fundamental duty?
Yes, sir. So there is a one case, Jaya Thakur versus Union of India. There is Supreme Court held that menstrual health is a fundamental right, which is in Article 21.
Suppose that I'm giving you a situation. If you become the law minister for one day,
Yes, sir.
so what kind of the legal reforms that you will introduce?
Sir, first of all, I will reduce the corruptions which is going on in our country at very large scale. I will implement stricter rules and more reformative theories.
Seen the news that yesterday that we have came across the web, and we have seen that there's one lady that actually abandoned her child, putting on the blanket, and said that she is not able to raise her child because of certain economical conditions. Yesterday, yes, it's a case of the Vietnam, right? So, do you think that if this happens in India, right? So, what kind of the legal remedies the child would have? What are the constitutional remedy over there?
So first of all, it is unlawful because every parent has a duty to develop and welfare for the child, and it was unlawful.
So in terms of pardoning power, governor and president have same power, or is any difference?
No, sir, difference, because president's clemency power in Article 72, governors cannot give pardoning powers for the death sentences.
Age of retirement of a Supreme Court judge.
Supreme Court judge, sir, it's 65 years.
And High Court?
And High Court, it's 62 years.
Can a judge of Supreme Court, which has retired, can practice in any court of India?
No, sir.
And judge of High Court?
Judge of High Court can practice in Supreme Court and the court where he has retired. Other than that, he can practice.
Who is Quratullah and Heather?
She was a very famous writer, as I read in my Urdu book, that she has went to Pakistan after partition, and she wrote a very famous dramas and novels.
Somewhere it is mentioned.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah,
Have you seen?
yeah.
Have you seen which gate number is Quratul Heather gate?
I guess it is on about gate number 4 or gate number.
It is your childhood dream to go for law, so why you have taken science stream in 12th? If you have taken arts or humanities, it will be more beneficial for you to get the better understanding of the subject. If you want to become a lawyer, or if you want to become any humanities subject, if you are going to take in the future, so why you have taken such a drastic change in your life?
Yes, sir. But at that time when I passed my 10th board, at that time I think taking science in intermediate, it provide a broader opportunities to make career. Or taking arts, I think it will limit my career opportunities. That is the reason that I took science. I prefer science with other faculty.
Okay, what is secularism?
What is secularism? Secularism is a concept in which no any religion gets prefer over the other. It is the concept of a nation in which all religions are treated equally, and in certain there are two types of secularism: positive secularism and negative secularism, which is based on the state's intervention of in someone's religion.
Have you heard the case name SR Bombay case?
Yes, sir.
So what it is about?
It was about the secularism, sir, and also preambles and the preference of fundamental rights over DPSP.
Is in SR Bombay case.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what about Minerva Mill case?
Minerva Mill case is also related with fundamental rights and DPSP, but it states that there should be harmony between the fundamental rights and DPSP.
Okay.
So when did this word secularism added to preamble? When was this added? Or was it present from beginning only?
No, sir, it was not present from the beginning. It was basically added by 42nd Constitution Amendment Act,
Which year?
1976.
What is the difference in enforceability regarding fundamental rights and DPSP? Is there a difference regarding enforceability?
Yes, sir. Fundamental rights are justiciable and they're enforceable, but TPPSC are non-justiciable.